Hi there, students. One-upmanship. It's a noun. The art of one-upmanship. This is the art of always being better than your rival, than your competitor. To always outdo somebody else. So the newspapers are always playing a game of one-upmanship. My article has more sordid details than yours. To always have a bigger one, a newer model, a higher score, a more daring feat. The children were always playing one-upmanship for the attention of their parents. Office politics is a constant round of one-upmanship. So you're always trying to be one up on your rivals. You're always looking to gain an advantage over your rival, to look better than them by having more status symbols or through displays of superiority. Yeah, this to me seems pretty silly, because you need to be content with who you are, not to be content because you're better than someone else. People are not better, they're just different. Do you know the song, "Anything you can do, I can do better. Anything you can do, I can do too"? This is the epitome of one-upmanship. Yeah, always showing that you are better than the other person, or trying to show. Always showing that you are cooler, more intelligent, braver, more daring, richer. John arrived with his new car, his new Ford, and Susan, who is always playing one-upmanship with him, arrived the next day with a new BMW. So it made his new Ford look unimpressive. Okay, so one-upmanship. I think to make it into a verb, I would use the verb to play one-upmanship. They are always playing one-upmanship. One-upmanship is an essential part of their daily routine. Yeah, maybe two football supporters from different teams. They are always playing one-upmanship, saying how their team is better. We need to live together in harmony, not be better than each other. So, one-upmanship. What about formality? Well, this clearly to me is informal. It sounds a little bit posh, but I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation in the pub. I think you could probably use it in a semi-formal document, but don't use it in something very, very formal. Maybe personal rivalries, or rivalry for a very formal document. And as to the origin, well, we have the word gamesmanship, the art of playing games. So, one-upmanship, the art of being one up, of being superior to somebody else. Okay? So, one-upmanship, always being better than somebody you consider to be your rival. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. One-upmanship.